Hello everybody, so I'm gonna check the TPS throttle position sensor. It's for a Continental GT 535 2013. I didn't see nothing to show how it's made. So first, ignition off. I'm gonna try to do everything. We have three cables. Let's see, as you can see, we're gonna use the purple one. You're gonna use this one, the purple one. Okay, ignition off. And I'm not sure if it's good or not, so I'm gonna lose a little bit this bolt. So this one, and I try variforms as I can find in the web. I tried to use a cable and try to make inside, and I use a paper clip too to put in the back, but nothing. So I'm gonna use a nail, just fit on this one, the purple one. Very careful. I'm gonna use this to try to reach the bottom. Yeah, nice. Again, ignition off. So I'm not very good with electric. Mechanic, yeah, it's fine, but electric is not my strong. So I'm gonna use the multimeter. We're gonna use for DC. I'm gonna put 20. And now for me it was the secret. Ignition on, fuel pump on, and then I'm gonna put one in the negative of the battery. Okay, stay there. And now we're gonna try to use this one. As you can see, multimeter starts to read. Now it's 64. I already adjusted. Okay, don't forget top cable, the purple one. If we're gonna move a little bit upwards, it starts to get low. If you move a little bit down, and it starts by the book between 60, maybe 16, 60, 55. I'm gonna do it by hand. Okay, sorry about that. Let's try. Up now, down, 63, I'm gonna put on 60, 58, I think for me it works fine. Don't forget fuel pump, okay? So I'm gonna try to throttle. As you can see, the throttle works. So according with the manual, it will be 0.61 plus minus 5 more 5 So don't forget turn the bike on. Just ignition. Yes, I'm gonna leave it on this. I'm gonna try it on the road. Okay, but I think it works fine. Okay, don't forget to remove all the stuff. It's a simple nail. Okay, see ya. When you finished all the settings, don't forget to lock this bolt. Be careful, don't tighten too much, and put everything in the right place. Don't forget that. Okay.